What's faster, sound or light? What question is it?
Sound.
Think so?
That's what yours is, did.
The sound was moving?
Let's see.
Hold on.
I think sound, bro. That was fast as fuck, though. I ain't gonna lie.
That light was kind of moving, though.
Now, that time that light was moving. Let's do 1-1 then. 1-1. Now, you already got it on now. That's cheating. All right, that's it.
Let me give it a head start. You said sound was faster, though.
The first time. The second time, it was kind of like,
close?
it was kind of closer.
All right, hold on, because I did. Hold on, let me put it.
Sound, bro.
Sound?
Sound, bro.
Hold on, let me give it a head start.
Light might have got you.
Light might have got-
a little bit.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
by a little
yeah,
bit.
okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it's about a little bit. Tie.
Ta.
Tie.
Ta.
Tie. No, that was a tie, too.
Tie?
That was a tie, bro. Chad, yeah, it's good.
Give me on your mark, so go.
On your mark, get set, go. Sound. That time, sound.
Nobody jump.
Nah, that was sound.
Yeah, I think sound faster.